In this beginner video, I'll be showing you step by step how to use Blueberry Funded. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and go up to blueberryfunded.com. From here, it should look something like this. And now from here, we'll need to create an account. And to do that, the simplest way is to go up to the login page up here and then click register. Once you click register, you'll see you can register your account here by adding in your first name, your last name, your email address, phone number, zip code, city, state, country, and address. You'll also need to confirm that you have read and agreed to the Blueberry Funded terms and conditions, and just click register. Then from here, Blueberry Funded will send you an email that you need to verify that it is specifically that email that you've used that is yours. From here, you have successfully created an account, and then from here, it should look something like this. This is the dashboard, and here you'll see the account overview, you'll see the withdrawals, you'll see the certifications, the competitions, a contract which I'll go over in just a few minutes, an order history where you can see all of your accounts and orders that you have inside of Blueberry Funded. And down here with apps, you can see the newsfeed, you can see the affiliates tab, economic calendar, and web trader platform. Down here, you can also see downloads, where you can download like MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, DXTrade, or TradeLocker that supports Blueberry Funded, or the Help Center and the Settings tab down here. From here, to start a challenge, you'll simply need to go over to Accounts Overview, and then from here, you'll need to click Start New Challenge. Once you do that, this little icon will pop up, and then it will go into a new page right here. And here you can add in the account information, like account type, if you want to choose a prime 2-step, a step 1, step 2, rapid, synthetic, instant elite, or elite light. You'll also be able to add an account size from 5K to 200K platform size, and you'll also be able to add a platform where MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, DXTrade, or TradeLocker that you can use. You can also add in add-ons if you want to do that, and from here you can also be able to add a coupon code and click apply to get a little bit off your first account. From here you'll simply need to add the customer information like your email address and fill in the billing details. Once you've done that, you'll need to select what type of currency that you want to use, either USD, a Euro, or any of these other ones that Blueberry Funded supports. Then from here, you'll need to click I confirm that I read and agree the Blueberry Funded account, and click place order. From here, you'll need to add in your credit card details and pay for your account. Once you have paid for your account, you'll be directed into the account overview, where under account history, your new account will be visible. Now from here, before we do anything else, we'll need to complete the KYC and sign a contract. And to do the KYC or the 2FA, you'll simply need to go over to the menu over here and click Settings. And once you're inside of the settings, you'll need to go from personal information over to 2FA or two-factor authentication. Once you're in here, you'll see this page right here where you can click Set 2FA and then add your QR code and then paste the specific code that the Authenticator app on your smartphone device will give you. From here, you'll need to click Continue, and then you have successfully done your KYC. There's no need to fill in your ID or anything else, but you'll also need to sign a contract. And to do that, you'll simply need to go over to the menu again and click Contact, and then from here, you'll be able to see the specific contract that you need to sign. From here, you'll just need to go over to Status and click Sign Contract, and then from here you'll be able to trade inside of Blueberry Funded. Once you've done that, you'll simply need to go over to the account overview and find the specific account that you want to connect to your platform that you chose when you bought the account. From here you'll see, once you click on it, you'll see a username, a password, and a server ID. From here, you'll need to go over to the website of that specific platform that you have chosen, and you can do that by going down to Others in the menu and click Downloads. And then from here, you can find MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, DXTrade, or TradeLocker down here. From here, you'll simply just need to click Download and then follow the install process. Personally, I have chosen MetaTrader 5 simply because I am more comfortable in that platform, so I'll be using that for this tutorial. From here, we'll need to connect Blueberry Funded to your platform, aka MetaTrader 5. And to do that, you'll simply need to open up MetaTrader 5 and go up to File and then down to Open an Account. Once you do that, you'll need to go up to Add New Company, where you'll click in blueberryfunded.com and click Find Your Company over here. Once you've done that, you should be doing something like this, where you'll be able to add the blueberryfunded.com, and then from here you'll need to click Next. From here you'll need to go down to Connect with an existing trade account, and here you'll need to fill in your login credentials, your password credentials, and choose the specific server that Blueberry Funded have gave you inside of the account. From here you'll need to click Finish, and then you'll hear a little bell ring on your computer, and that indicates that your platform and Blueberry Funded has been connected successfully. This will also work the same way with MetaTrader 4, DXTrade, and TradeLocker. Once you're logged inside of your platform, it should bring something like this. And now from here, we'll need to place in our first trade. And to do that, you'll simply need to go over to your platform. And then from here, you'll need to go down to the trade option. And then from here, you can choose and right click on it and click New Order. And as for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, you can also use F9 on your keyboard to get this page up right here. From here, you'll be able to add in a symbol that you want to trade, and you can choose the type, which is either market execution or pending order. If you are in on a weekend, you'll need to choose pending order. From here, you'll add in your volume, a stop loss, and a take profit. From here, you can click Buy by Market, and then once the position gets filled, you'll be able to see it inside of the history here. You'll also be able to see it inside of Blueberry Funded up in accounts, and then you'll be able to click on your account and see the trade has been successfully filled. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!